Hi friends and welcome to Victor's Reality. Today I have the unboxing and review of the Razer Cloth Mask in medium green and medium black. Let's check them out. So here we have it. We have the Razer Cloth Masks. We have them in medium green and medium black. As you can see, they have a bacterial filtration efficiency of 95%, made of soft, non-irritable 100% cotton with antibacterial protection, comfortable breathable fabric, reusable and washable up to 30 times, ear loop design, available in 2 sizes and colors. So as you can see, just a regular mask with the Razer design logo. Nothing too crazy or different about it, just a cloth mask. And here's the loop, so you can see, big enough. And this is a medium size, so a smaller would fit, I would say, children or smaller frames, smaller face frames, right? And here is the sizing guide. As you can see, you measure from eye to chin, and there are medium and small sizes, and how you're supposed to wash it, the temperature, line dry, all that. But these are just standard cloth masks with a Razer touch to it. Nothing too fancy, gets the job done. I would still recommend putting a surgical mask under these guys, just because if you go to the Razer website, it does show the filtration power of a surgical mask, comparing it to the cloth mask. So here's an image so you can take a look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss out on a future video. Stay safe out there.